Welcome to Bulabog Putian National Park. Woo!
Here to explore different kinds of patterns in nature, in mathematics in the modern world.
Symmetry. Symmetry is a balance and proportional similarity between two halves of an object. An object has symmetry if one part is a mirror image of rotational copy of another part. Common types include mirrored symmetry, rotational symmetry, and translational symmetry.
Next is fractals. This is the example of fractals. Fractals are complex shapes or patterns that repeat at different scales. They are self-similar, meaning each part looks like a small version of the whole. Fractals are often seen in nature, like fern leaves or snowflakes, and in mathematical sets like the Mandelbrot set.
Next is spiral. And these are the example of spiral. A spiral is a curve that winds around the central point while moving away from or toward it. Spiral can be circular, like snail's shells, or logarithmic, like hurricanes or galaxies.
The Fibonacci sequence, where each number is the sum of two preceding ones. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. Is evident in the arrangement of petals, spiral of seeds, and branch structure in various flowers and plants. Many flowers have a number of petals that correspond to Fibonacci numbers, such as lilies, buttercups, and daisies. Sunflowers also exhibit this pattern, with the spirals of seeds often aligning with consecutive Fibonacci numbers.
Cracks in nature often exhibit mathematical patterns due to factors like stress, tension, and material properties. These patterns can be seen in dried landscapes, tree bark, and even the fracture surfaces of materials, often forming repeating geometric shapes. Specifically, when a material is subjected to stress, cracks may form to relieve it, and the resulting patterns can reveal information about the material's elasticity or inelasticity.